comment, like, and subscribe. It would really help me grow my channel. Hey everybody! Today we're at the Laity Farm and Pumpkin Patch in Maple Ridge. They have a corn maze, pumpkins, animals, a bunch of stuff. This is going to be a ton of fun and I'm super excited. Come on, let's get going.
We're gonna go there after this, right?
Can never decide which pumpkin to pick. There's just so many of them. Oh, look at the little one. There's a ton of sunflowers in here. There's this huge pile of pumpkins. The little tractor design in the center. That's pretty cool. We have this super cool big yellow Adirondack chair that you can sit in. We have all these super cute pumpkin displays everywhere. It's a beautiful day out today. It's the first week of October. It's super sunny and super nice. Man, I love all the displays in here. They're so cool. They have a race maze in here. One person goes in on one side and one goes on the other. It is so absolutely beautiful in here. Look at that, eh? I don't think I've ever actually been in a corn maze before. Come on, let's go see the animals. They're in the barn. Oh, kitties. Hi. Hi. Aww. Is your name Miller? Oh. 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 Hi. Are you a sheep? Are you a sheep? Hi. Hi. Hi, guys. Are you laying hen? Hi. Aww. You're Turkey. Hi, Mr. Turkey. Aww. They're so cute. Hi. Oh. You want to play checkers? We have pumpkin bowling. We gotta get it in the hole. No. No. Wait. I can't decide which pumpkin to get. There's so many different ones. The white one. So I'm just gonna go into the corn maze. Hope I don't get lost. What are grumpy cows called? Moody. So we're at the end of the walk. I hope you enjoy this pumpkin patch and the animals and the corn maze and the pumpkins. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.